So my cat jumped in my chair while the brakes were off, and now the chair's over here, and I'm over here. Thanks, Sola. Oh.
Usually, it's the other way around.
Welcome to Will Luke Eat It? Today, a peanut butter coffee cake. Oh.
He finds beauty in small things. Was this a friendly action, or was he mad? Entertained by anything. Meet the neighbor.
Reggie, get. Look at him. Reggie, you're already sweet. Get out of the sugar.
Who started it? He was not impressed. I thought this was a mirror at first.